Today on Talk Up Tuesday, Ignition Digital. So a bit behind the eight ball today. I apologize for that. I usually do these on Monday afternoon. Yesterday was my birthday. I totally forgot. So I am now trying to get Talk Up Tuesday done in my truck on the way to work this morning. Ignition Digital, www.ignition1.com. Tevi, Stan, and Dale are the group that we always work with. They've got great installers as well, but Stan on the design side has helped us immensely. Some of the design stuff that he's come up with, not only for our vehicles, but also on business cards and some of our sandwich boards as well, has really helped set us apart from what we were doing before. Thank you very much, Stan. Tevi and Dale, as far as the sales team is concerned, you know, they get our vehicles in quickly, they get them done efficiently, they're very reasonably priced, they do everything from wraps to just regular vehicle decals, sandwich boards, banners, signs, large format printing. They also do commercial printing. You know, anything you can think of as far as to help you with your brand, these guys will accomplish for you. Thank you so much, guys, for all the great work you've done for us. I'm going to put a few pictures here of the vehicles that they've done so that everybody can see the work. Again, thank you. Have a great day. See you in the next week.